You can run a profitable YouTube channel in 2026 without spending a dime. Hi, welcome to my corner on YouTube where I teach you how you can make money on YouTube. Whether you are a content creator, you are a channel owner, whatever person, whatever category you belong to, my channel is for you. Here I spill all the secrets on how to earn from this platform. In today's video, I want to show you how you can leverage AI to make money as a channel owner. Now, this video is not for people that don't own channels. So if you own a channel, come closer. Now, for you to run a YouTube channel, you need four key things. First, you need the scripts. This is what you're going to say in your video or what the voiceover artist will say in your video. Second, you need a video editor. All right, so this is the person that's going to put together your scripts and your visuals to make the video. Third, you need a thumbnail artist. These are basically graphic designers that can do the thumbnails for you. And then lastly, you need yourself. You are the person that will handle the uploading, the researching, coming up with the topics, and analyzing your channel to see what video performs well and which one is not performing well. Now, those are the four key things that you need to run a channel. But for you to have these four key things working well, you need a whole lot of money. Some channel owners spend as much as $1,000 every month just to keep their channel running. So this is the money that they're going to pay the video editor, the script writer, thumbnail artist, and just pay the entire team. And you don't have that kind of money, which is why you're watching my video right now. So I want to show you how you can use AI to achieve those same results without spending that kind of money. The fifth thing that you need for your YouTube channel, which I did not mention earlier, is voiceover. So if you have a beautiful voice, you can decide to voice your scripts or your videos by yourself. But if you do not have the time for that, you can rely on AI tools for the voicing. Some people use 11 Labs, but I will not really say use 11 Labs if you do not have a lot of money, because 11 Labs has very expensive credits. So if you don't have the money for that, simply just avoid 11 Labs. The other alternative for this, for the voiceover, is Gen AI Pro. It is way cheaper and way easier to use. I'm telling you, it is very cheap. And if you put your money together with other people, it becomes really, really tiny an amount that you're going to spend to get your voice over. Now, let's talk about how you can use these different AI tools so that you do not spend a lot of money on your YouTube channel. The first part of your video is, of course, your scripting. I recommend that you use Cloud. Use Cloud. Some people say, oh, they use ChatGPT, they use Gemini, but as a script writer that I am, and I am experienced, I am telling you that Cloud is the best. You just need to know how to prompt it. And if you don't know how to prompt your Cloud to give you amazing scripts, check my description. I've put a link there. That link will lead you to my free ebook that will guide you on how to create or how to prompt Cloud so that you can get amazing scripts. It's completely free, so make sure you go down there and download that free ebook. But before that, subscribe. Okay? So that's basically how you can get amazing scripts. Once Cloud generates the script for you, you simply go ahead to proofread it, make sure that it sounds really nice, sounds interesting, and done. You have gotten your script. The next thing that you're going to need is, of course, the video editing. So what can you use? There's this tool called Pictory AI. This tool helps video editors so much. All you have to do is to carry your scripts to Pictory AI, and it will start generating the visuals, the images for you. And if you don't like those images, you can simply go online, go to places like Pixels, go to Pixabay, and find relevant clips that are not copyrighted, and then take it back to Pictory AI, add them, and voila, before you know, you have created a video. That is one simple way to get videos for your YouTube. Another way is to use CapCut. Of course, CapCut. CapCut now has AI features like this that helps you to easily edit a video without having to go through so much. Even if you're not experienced as a video editor, even if you're like me, you're not very good at video editing, you can use CapCut. And guess what? It is not too expensive. Unlike before that you have to subscribe to CapCut Pro, now you are allowed to pay for certain features as a standalone. So it's way easier now. And you can also use the free CapCut. Depending on the kind of videos that you want to make, you can use free CapCuts. So that way you spend no money at all. When you've gotten those two things out, you need to now figure out your thumbnail, which is, trust me, this is the easiest one. You can create amazing thumbnails using ChatGPT. Yes, you see this video here, my very first video on YouTube. I made that thumbnail with ChatGPT, and look at how nice it came out. So you too can do the same. To make that, to do this very easily, You will come to YouTube like this and find 10 videos that have very amazing thumbnails that relate to what you want to do. Download those thumbnails, take them to ChatGPT and ask GPT to study those thumbnails, and then ask it to create your own thumbnail for you that looks like that, and voila, you have gotten yourself a thumbnail at no cost. If you're using free ChatGPT, you can only generate about 3 images in a day, which is like 3 thumbnails. So that works. If you want to do 3 videos per day, you can still use GPT to generate those images. Some people use Gemini for their thumbnails, some people use Grok. All those platforms can create amazing images for you to use as your thumbnail. Now, if your channel or your content is about like storytelling channels, storytelling content where you generate, have stories, you can use Grok for this as well. Now, the last thing that you're going to need, I already mentioned it, is a voice over. You can use 11 Labs for this. You can use Gen AI Pro. Both of them work pretty well and they're not so expensive. And like I said, you can put together your money with other people and share the two. So you spend very little money. But Gen AI Pro is way cheaper. Or if you have an amazing voice, simply voice your videos by yourself. It depends on what your content is about. So that's basically how you can create and run a channel on YouTube with very little money or at no cost at all. So if you're thinking, okay, what if they ban my channel before I get monetized? Because it's happening. Trust me, not everybody's AI channel is getting banned. Some are succeeding. So what you should be asking yourself right now is, what are they doing differently? I'm going to address this in like another of my videos, so make sure to subscribe so that you can follow up on that. So I've worked with a channel that has been there for like 6 months now. It's not been banned. They are getting money from it and they're paying me because I'm their script writer. So that is one of the examples of a success story. So that can be you too. So don't be thinking or getting scared that, oh, what if they get my channel banned? I'm going to tell you how you can do this without getting banned. Okay, you know that there are different kinds of content on YouTube. We have different niches. We have health, entertainment, celebrity gossip, sports, and all of that. How do you know what is the best niche for you to go into if you want to use AI? How do I know that this channel, this niche is good for AI content? I'm going to address that in my another video I'll be doing in the future. I don't know when, but just subscribe so that whenever I post it, you're going to see it. Because you cannot use AI content in every niche. All right, I'm also going to tell you what niche, what kind of content you can use AI to make very easily and make a lot of money. There are people that are cashing out from that niche. I'm going to share it with you in another of my videos, just not this one. So make sure to subscribe, and if you need the free ebook on how to prompt Cloud to create script, it is in my description. So please make sure to go down there, click on that link and download, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.